Echols Farm is a 55-plus active adult community by Windsong Properties in Hiram, and today I am here with Joyce. And Joyce, it's so exciting because you guys have a brand new model that has a lot of really nice features.
Oh my goodness, the Madison Model is just spectacular. You walk into the wide hallway, you come down to a beautiful kitchen area, and then the windows in the great room are just unbelievable. It makes you feel like you're on vacation every day.
Yes, that's one of the things I noticed when I walked into this model. The light is incredible and all of the beautiful windows are just such a lovely touch. And there's even more, so talk to us a little bit about the garage and the closets.
Oh, I will. The garage is a 3-car tandem garage. That is so convenient. The men just love that. And then let's talk about the master suite. Multiple closets, and who doesn't want multiple closets? So that's another wonderful feature of the Madison. The bathroom is great. You have a walk-in shower with a bench seat. So everything that an active adult would want in their home.
You're currently building phase 3, so what can you tell us about that progress?
Oh my goodness, we are almost halfway through with phase 3. We have limited spots for our garden series, which are the smaller homes. We have wonderful lots remaining for all the homestead series, and a special going on with the homestead series, a $15,000 incentive that people can use at the Design Center. Please call us. Our number is 678-401-2306. And you can also visit our website at windsonglife.com.
Well, Joyce, thanks so much for being here with me today. And do not miss out on this very special active adult 55-plus community right here in Hiram, Echols Farm by Windsong Properties.